Chapter 12, Lesson 2, pages 532 to 537. Organisms and ecosystems. Main idea: climates and the types of life that they support define biomes on Earth. Ecological roles are the same in different biomes but may be filled by different species. Biomes. What does a desert in Arizona, like the one in Figure 15, have in common with a desert in Africa? Both are hot, have little rain, and have sandy soils. Organisms include water-conserving plants, lizards, snakes, and a few birds. Even widely separated regions on Earth can have similar organisms because they have similar climates and soils. Earth has 6 major land zones called biomes that support a different type of ecological community. Biome types. 6 major biomes shown in Figure 6 describe the Earth's land regions. Each biome has a different climate and soil type. The tundra. The tundra biome lies near the north and south poles. During summer months, tundra biomes support many more organisms than during the harsh winters. Many species of shorebirds migrate to the tundra in the summer. There they breed and raise their young. In the fall, they escape the harsh winter by flying south to warmer biomes where they can more easily find food. Tundra animals that do not migrate must hibernate and adapt to life in a cold, dark environment. The taiga. The largest biome on Earth, the taiga, is a cold forest region dominated by evergreen trees. Although the winter is long and cold, the taiga is warmer and wetter than the tundra. The taiga biome stretches across North America, Northern Europe, and Asia. The rainforest. There are 2 types of rainforests. Because of an abundant rainfall, both have lush green plants throughout the year. Tropical rainforests found near the equator support more species than any other biome. Temperate rainforests are found in coastal regions, where moist air from the oceans drop between 150 to 500 centimeters of rain yearly. California biomes. California is an area of diverse biome regions. The major biome types in California include the temperate deciduous forest, the desert, and grasslands. Temperate deciduous forest. Northern California has abundant rain, long summers, and cold winters. Plants in temperate deciduous forests, shown in Table 1, include many trees that lose their leaves in the winter. Some commonly found animals include insects, rodents, foxes, deer, and raccoons. Deserts. The desert has very little rainfall, less than 2 centimeters per year. Life in the desert has adapted to conserve water. Desert plants, such as the cacti in Table 1, have tough, waxy coating with thick leaves that store water. The animals include rodents, lizards, snakes, spiders, scorpions, and a few birds. The grasslands. Most grasslands have dry seasons with little or no rain. This lack of moisture prevents forest development. Grasslands have different names. In Africa, grasslands are called savannas. In the Midwestern United States, they are called prairies. In Southern California coastal areas, they are called chaparrals. Chaparral organisms are adapted to hot, dry summers and mild, rainy winters. Fires and droughts are common. Habitat and niche. While taking a walk in the forest, you might notice a rotting log. If you look closely at the log, you might see termites eating the wood and ants eating the termites. Spiders might be hiding under the bark. Each organism in the ecosystem needs a place to live. The place of an organism lives is called its habitat. The rotting log is its habitat for termites and spiders. What is a niche? One habitat might contain hundreds of species. You might think it's impossible for so many species to occupy one habitat. However, each species has different requirements for its survival. They all eat different food or use different shelter. Each species has its own niche or role in the environment, how it obtains food and shelter, cares for its young, and avoids danger. Similar niches. Every ecosystem contains similar niches. However, different species fill these niches in different ecosystems. The map in Figure 17 shows the tropical rainforest exists on several continents. at about the same latitude. Each of these rainforests has organisms that occupy similar niches. However, different species may fill these niches in different parts of the world. In South Africa, rainforest animals such as the harpy eagle and jaguars are hunters that catch and eat other organisms. In the rainforests of Australia, similar niches are filled by bandicoots and dingoes. So, human impacts on niches. What do you think would happen to an ecosystem if an organism no longer were able to fill its niche? Perhaps the species is hunted to extinction or has its habitat destroyed. Population decline affects the rest of the ecosystem because organisms no longer are able to fill their niche. Human activities can impact population size and therefore affect entire biomes. For example, if people did not allow fires to burn in chaparrals, there would be no young pine trees. The animals would not have the trees for food, shelter, and space. In the next chapter, you will learn how organisms depend on each other in ecosystems. All right, guys, so that is actually all of chapter 12. There is no lesson 3. So tonight, after listening to this, you guys can go ahead and work on your packet, and we will meet together and go over it tomorrow. And thanks for listening, guys.